The magical land of Wisdoria was never still. Each day the sun painted the sky in golden swirls, and each night the stars told stories to anyone who cared to listen. In this enchanted land, every child who entered discovered something new about themselves. One sunny afternoon, a boy named Max found himself wandering through a meadow of singing daisies. Max had curly brown hair, a quick smile, and curious eyes. But Max had a little problem. Sometimes he didn't always tell the truth. If he accidentally broke a cup, he would say, "It wasn't me." If he forgot to do his chores, he would mumble, "I did them already." And if he was late, he'd quickly say, "Oh, I was on time. You must have not seen me." Max thought little fibs would keep him out of trouble, but deep down, he felt a heavy weight in his heart. As Max strolled through the meadow, a golden butterfly fluttered around him. "Follow me," it chimed in a bell-like voice. Max chased after it until he reached the crystal garden, a breathtaking place filled with tall crystal flowers that sparkled like rainbows. But something was wrong. The crystals were cracked, their glow dim. From the center of the garden rose a tall, shimmering figure, the guardian of truth. Its eyes were kind, but filled with sadness. "Max," the guardian said softly, "the crystal garden grows only when truth is spoken, but lies and half-truths have cracked it. Will you help restore it?" Max swallowed hard. "But I'm not always good at telling the truth." "That is why you were chosen," the guardian replied, "to learn that honesty is light and light heals." Suddenly, the crystals began whispering. They repeated every little lie Max had told, their voices echoing, "It wasn't me. I did it already. I was on time." Max covered his ears. His cheeks burned with shame. I didn't mean to hurt anyone." The guardian's voice was gentle. "The truth can be hard, but it sets hearts free. Try, Max. Speak honestly." Max took a deep breath. He looked at the cracked crystals and said, "Yes, I broke the cup because I was careless. Yes, I forgot my chores because I was distracted. And yes, I was late because I didn't manage my time." As the words left his lips, the cracks in the crystals began to heal. Their glow returned, brighter than ever. The garden shimmered in dazzling colors, and a warm light wrapped around Max. The guardian smiled. "Do you see, Max? Honesty may feel heavy at first, but it lifts the heart. Lies may seem easy, but they dim the light inside us." Max nodded. He felt lighter, like he had dropped a heavy backpack he'd carried for far too long. When he left the crystal garden, he whispered to himself, "I will choose honesty even when it's hard, because truth always shines brighter." And from that day on, Max's smile wasn't just quick, it was true. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!